job. So if you observe outside, there are number of jobs, number of skills, right? So how do they get that skill to the people? So we'll discuss now. Okay, he is a Masood. Okay, children observe carefully the picture. He is a Masood and he is a potter. So who is potter? People who make pots. Okay, people who make pot, they are called potters, right? So Masood is a potter and he made pots with the clay, right? So he uses wet clay to make things like pots, diyas, lamps, and using his hands. Okay, so Masood is a potter and he uses wet clay. Wet clay ante tadi matti, clay, bankamannu, tadi bankamannu. Okay, he uses wet clay to make things. Okay, to make different things like pots, diyas. Okay, diyas sun means see here, this is a pots, these are pots, diyas, and lamps. Okay, lamps, and using his hands and potter's wheel. So what is potter wheel? What is potter wheel? To make this, he used his hands and potter wheel. Okay, potter wheel is nothing but, okay, see there are a like a wheel he used to prepare pots on this, right? So that is called potter wheels. Okay, that is called potter wheels. So if you observe these things, see if you observe this, so it is how beautiful it is, right? And these are the things made by hand, right? So these are all things made by hand. See how beautiful it is. So he also decorate the pots by carving designs on them with a knife. You know, see if you observe the picture, how beautiful designs on it, right? How beautiful designs on it. So these designs made with knife, made with knife and hands. So how beautiful it is. So how Masood get this much skill? Do you know that? So Masood learned this skill from his father. Okay, Masood learned this skill from his father, who was also a potter. Okay, so how Masood learned this skill from his father? How Masood learned this skill from potter? Okay, so potters. Okay, whenever see if you observe, if your father do any special job, so we will also observe day by day, right? And we are also trying to do that work, right? So definitely we'll get that skill from our parents, right? Our parents, which work they will do, so we get that skill knowledge with our parents. Did you get my point? So see, Masood, okay, Masood is a potter, right? Masood is a potter, and he used it to wet clay to make things like pots, diyas, lamps, using his, and how do they prepare? With his hands and potter wheel. With his hands and potter wheel. See, what is potter wheel? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, this is potter wheel. Follow my cursor, students. Okay, this is a potter wheel. Okay, so Masood prepare with wet clay different things like pots, diyas, and lamps by using his hands and potter wheel. Okay, and he made different designs on it. Okay, he made different designs and patterns on this. Okay, and he will paint also with different colors. Okay, see how beautiful it is. And these are all things made by hand, right? These are all things made by hand. So how the Masood, see, he also decorate the carving designs on them with knife. So Masood learned this skill from his father. Masood learned this skill from his father. Did you get my point, students? Masood learned his skill from father. All of you, please respond in chat box, okay? Right. If you did not understand, please respond in chat box. Sir, I did not understand. Can you explain one more, right? So, thank you, right. Right. Next. So, Dayal Chen. He is a Dayal Chen, okay? And who is he? Who is he? He is a Dayal Chen. And who is he?
Taylor. Sir, Taylor.
Very good. He is a,
Sir, Taylor.
yes. Thank you very much, students. But please respond in chat box, right? Please, okay? So he is a tailor. Dayal Chen is a tailor. His elder brother taught him how to stitch cloth. Okay, how to stitch cloth. From how did he learn the skill? He learned from his brother. If he learned the skill from his brother. Okay, Dayal Chand tailor, and his elder brother taught him how to stitch clothes. Okay, how to stitch clothes. And Dayal uses needles, thread, and sieving machine to do this work. Okay, what are the things do this work? He need needle, thread, and sieving machine, kuttu machine. Kuttu machine. Okay, na? Kutteti machine. Oh, what are the things he need? Needle, thread. Thread is nothing but daram, different color threads, right? So he need needle, thread, and sieving machine to do his work. Okay, tailor. Dayal Chand is a tailor, and his elder brother taught him how to stitch clothes. So Dayal uses needles, color threads, and sieving machine. Okay, and now if you observe, so who is he? He is a cobbler. He is a cobbler. Chunni Lal. His name is Chunni Lal. These all members are my friends, you know. Okay, he is Chunni Lal and he is a cobbler, right? Who is he? Cobbler. Okay, and he mends old and torn shoes. He mends old and torn shoes. అంటే చినిగిపోయిన షూస్ చినిగిపోయిన షూస్ కానీ బ్యాగ్స్ కానీ ఉంటాయి కదా సో హీ మెండ్స్ అంటే కుట్టడం ఓకేనా హీ మెండ్స్ రిపేర్ చేయడం హీ మెండ్స్ ఓల్డ్ అండ్ torn shoes. And what are the tools he used to mend? His tools are hammer. His tools are hammer, needle, nail, thread, and all. Okay, what are the tools he used? Hammer, needle, nail, thread, and all. So these are the tools cobbler used to mend or repair the shoes. Did you get my point, students? Hammer, needle, nail, thread, all. These are the cobbler used to repair the shoes or stitch the shoes. Is it clear?
Why is it stucking?
Okay, children. Please respond in chat box. Okay, please. Thank you all. Thank you very much. So, children, listen. He is a cobbler. Chunni Lal is a cobbler. Okay, and he mends. What is the duty of his? He mends old and torn shoes or chappals, and he repair old shoes and chappals, right? And what are the tools he need to use? He need to use hammer. Hammer ante sutti, right? Hammer ante sutti, right? Needle, sudi, nail, thread, and all. Okay, all these are the things he need to use to repair the chappals and shoes. Is it clear? Right. Thank you very much. Already in last year we went, right? Potter's wheel, tailor shop, right? So we went very good. So Chunni Lal is a cobbler, right? Thank you. So these are the tools he need. Who need these all tools? Cobbler. Who need these all tools? Cobbler. Okay? Right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Next. Right. I think most of the housewives do this job. That is the embroiderer. Who is she? She is embroiderer. Rubal. Okay? Rubal. Her name is Rubal. And she is a embroiderer. Okay? Embroiderer is nothing but who made designs on sarees or clothes. Okay? Who made designs on sarees or clothes. Okay? Rubal is an embroiderer like her mother who taught her this art of embroidery. So Rubal, from where did she learn this work? She learned from her mother. She learned from her mother. Okay? Rubal is an embroiderer. Taught the art of embroidery. Simai, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Simai, do you have any? Okay, very good. Thank you. Right. So embroiderer. Who is embroiderer? People who made designs on clothes. Who made designs on clothes? They are called embroiderers. Yeah, yeah. Okay, people who made designs on clothes and they are called embroiderer. So what are the tools she need to use? She use needles. Okay, different types of needles and wooden frame and colorful threads. Okay, what are the tools she need to make designs? Needles, wooden frame and colorful threads. If you observe that, see, these are the needles. First picture, right? Needles. And second picture is wooden frame, okay? To get support, okay? And colorful threads. So they need to prepare designs on the cloth with colorful threads, right? So they need, these are the tools to prepare designs on the clothes. What are those? Needles, wooden frame, and colorful threads. Needles, wooden frame, and colorful threads. Did you Rubal is an embroiderer like her mother who taught her art. See here, if you observe, there are number of designs, right? There are number of designs on the clothes, right? So embroiderer made these designs on the clothes. Okay, embroiderer made this type of design on clothes. Okay, Katha work and Josie, all type of embroideries. Okay, embroideries. Okay, next. What is the next?
Mechanic.
Oh, right, very good. Mechanic, right? So he is a mechanic. Yeah, he is a Sunil. Okay, who is he? Sunil, and he is a mechanic. So what does mechanic do? What does mechanic do? All of you, please respond in chat box. What does mechanic do?
He repairs
Cycle.
his autos, buses,
Repairs
Yeah.
vehicles. Repair electric
Oh,
cycles.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you very much. So he is Sunil, right? And he is a mechanic and he repairs vehicle with his tool. Okay, he repairs vehicles. So mechanics are in different types, right? Mechanics are different types. For example, he is a cycle mechanic, right? He is a cycle mechanic. And what are bus mechanic, bike mechanic, car mechanic, machine mechanic? So there are number of mechanics, right? So mechanics repair his vehicles. Okay. So he is a Sunil and he is a mechanic and he repairs vehicles. He repairs vehicles. Okay. Tool with his tools. What are the tools he need to repair? What are the tools he need to repair? So he needs screwdriver, jack. Okay. So what are the screwdriver? You know, everyone knows screwdriver, right? So first one is screwdriver. Okay. And spanner అంటే మనం తెలుగులో పాన అంటాం. ఓకేనా? Screwdriver, spanner, jack to lift the vehicle. He use jacks. Okay. Cycle pump, గాలి కొట్టే pump. ఓకేనా? So mechanic need to mechanic repairs vehicle with right? Mechanics repair vehicles with his tools. And what are the tools he need? Screwdriver, spanner,
jack, cycle pump.
Right, thank you.
Sir,
Thank you, children. Thank you very
Voice is touching.
Yes, fine.
yes, sir, your voice is stacking.
Okay. Okay. I will check my network. Okay, don't worry. Please wait. Okay. Okay, thank you. Next. So he learned. From where did he learn how to repair vehicle? From his owner of his shop. Okay. From his owner, he learned the skill to repair vehicles. Okay. He learned from his owner. Okay. He learned that how to repair vehicle from his owner. Okay. Thank you very much, students. Right. So Sunil is a mechanic and he repairs the vehicle. Okay. He repairs the vehicle with his tools. Next. So some more the interesting professions, right? So Nikhil is an engineer. Okay, Nikhil is an engineer. So what does engineer do? All of you respond in chat box. What does engineer do? Respond in chat box. What does engineer do? ఏం చేస్తాడు ఇంజనీర్? ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్ ఇన్ చాట్ బాక్స్ ఎవ్రీవన్. వాట్ డస్ ఇంజనీర్ డూ? వాట్ డిడ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ ఇన్ ద పిక్చర్? రైట్, సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ ద పిక్చర్ అండ్ గెస్ వాట్. Respond in chat box, everyone. Please respond
Sir,
in
he
chat.
will build a house.
Yeah,
He'll build house.
very
He built
Yeah.
bridges and buildings. He built bridges and buildings.
very good, very good. Children, please, what did I say? Please respond in chat box. Otherwise, I may get disturbance, right? Thank you. Right. So, engineer build bridges and buildings. Okay. Engineer builds bridges and buildings. So, using all kind of buildings material. Okay. By the help of all kind of using material. So, what are the material he need? Cement. Do you know I think everyone knows cement. Concrete. Concrete is nothing but mixture of sand, stones and cement. Concrete is nothing but mixture of stones, sand and cement. Okay. Iron and steel. Salakal antam kada manam. Iron and steel. So he taught this skill in engineering college. Okay. He was taught, okay, in the engineering college where he studied. అంటే ఎక్కడ నేర్చుకున్నాడు ఈ స్కిల్? ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ లో. ఓకేనా? నిఖిల్ an engineer and he builds bridges and buildings. So you by using all kind of building material, by using all kind of building materials. What are the materials? That cement, concrete, iron, steel. So concrete is a mixture of sand, stones and cement. Okay. So from where did he learn that skill? How to build buildings? Where did he learn? He learned the skill in engineering college. He learned the skill in engineering college. Okay. Right. So Nikhil is an engineer. Engineer builds bridges and buildings. Engineer builds bridges, buildings with the help of material, cement, concrete, iron, steel. Right. So he learned the skill from engineering colleges. Okay. Right. Next, driver. Who is he? Driver, right? So he is Arjun Singh. Okay, he is Arjun Singh, and he went a driving school to learn driving. He went a driving school to learn driving. For example, children, you are coming to school, right, to learn subject. You are coming to school, right? You are studying in school to learn subject, right? At the same time, to learn driving, he went to driving school. To learn driving, Arjun Singh went driving school, and now he is a driver and he drives a school bus. Okay, he learned driving in a driving school. Now he is a driver. He can drive any vehicle. Okay, now he can drive any vehicle. No, so now he is driving school bus. Now he school bus. Okay. So you know very well about school bus, right? He pick up the students from the home, and at the evening time he drop the students near the home, right? To drive a vehicle, children, to drive a vehicle, and everyone need a license, driving license. To drive a vehicle, everyone need driving license. Shivateja, please mute yourself. I am getting disturbance from you. Okay, thank you. So to drive any vehicle. Okay, to drive bike, car, bus, lorry. Okay, any vehicle. To drive any vehicle, we need a license. Okay, we need license, which one can get only when 18 years of age or more. ఎవరికి వస్తుంది డ్రైవింగ్ లైసెన్స్? ఎవరికైతే 18 years కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయో మీకు ఏమంటే ఇయర్ డ్రైవింగ్ లైసెన్స్. ఎందుకంటే మీరు చిన్న పిల్లలు, యూ కెనాట్ డ్రైవ్ వెహికల్స్, రైట్? సో టు డ్రైవ్ ఎనీ వెహికల్ వి నీడ్ లైసెన్స్. ఓకే, అండ్ వీ కెన్ గెట్ ఓన్లీ above 18 years to children. Okay, above 18 year people only get license, driving license. Okay, did you get my point, students? Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to drive we need
Yes,
license.
sir.
It can
Yes, sir.
be 18 years. Right. Next, who is he? Respond in chat
Doctor.
box. Yeah. Yeah, doctor. Very good. Very good. Okay, doctor. So Sandeep is a doctor and he takes care of sick and injured people. Take care of sick and injured people. Sick అంటే ఏమన్నా జలుబు సారీ రోగాలు వస్తాయి కదా జలుబు అనే రోగాలు ఓకే హీ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ సిక్ అండ్ ఇంజూర్డ్ పీపుల్ అండ్ హీ గాట్ హిస్ డిగ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ మెడికల్ కాలేజ్ హౌ డిడ్ హీ నో విచ్ టాబ్లెట్స్ వి నీడ్ టు గివ్ విచ్ things we need to give which medicines we need to give for that disease. He learned this skill in a medical college. He learned that skill in a medical college. Okay, so Sandeep is a doctor and he take care of sick and injured people, right? And he got his degree from a medical college. Medical college is nothing but he learned that skill which he learned about many diseases and he learned about many medicines in that college. So he can understand which disease is it and which medicine is suitable for that disease. Okay, which medicine cure that disease. Okay, so he learned that skill in a medical college. Okay, a doctor learned the skill in a medical college. Did you get my point, students? Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you all. So doctor, he take care of sick and injured people. Right. Next, sculptor. Who is sculptor? Did you listen before this word? Did you listen this word before? Sculptor. Anybody? Who is sculptor?
Sir, I know.
He will make gods and he will make
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Please mute yourself. Okay, Rahul is a sculptor. Okay, Rahul is a sculptor and he makes object of art using by wood, clay, metal, stone, by using chisel and other tools. So he used to make objects like Ganesh statues, different statues. Okay, number of statues like Ambedkar. Okay, Shivaji. There are number of statues around your side. On the road there are number of statues, right? So a sculptor make statues. Okay, a sculptor make object of art by using, okay, with which material he make different types of objects with the help of wood and clay bankamatti and metal or stone. Okay, by using this material he made different types of objects. Okay, a sculptor make objects. Okay, and art. A sculptor makes object of art by using wood, clay, metal, stone. Okay, and what are the tools does he use? He use chisel and other tools. Okay, chisel and other tools. Okay, chisel అంటే తెలుసా ఎలా ఉంటుందో? Chisel. See, some famous sculptures can be seen in the rock caves and Ajanta, Ellora. So if you observe the temples, okay, if you go any temple, there are number of stones, right, with different statues. So those all are made by sculptor, right? So some famous sculptures can be seen in the rock caves of Ajanta Ellora. So Ajanta Ellora is near Shirdi, okay, Maharashtra. It is in Maharashtra. If you go there, so there are beautiful statues in the temple. Okay, there are beautiful statues in the temple. So those are made by famous sculptors. Okay, those statues are made by a famous sculptors. Okay, a sculptors made objects by using wood, clay, stone, and steel. Okay, by using chisel. By using chisel. Chisel. Okay. Right. Next, journalist. Who is that? Journalist. What does journalist do? What does journalist do? So, for example, now it is a pandemic situation of corona, right? So, the journalists collect the news stories and articles. Okay, journalists collect and write news stories. Okay, journalists collect and write news stories, articles in the newspaper. Okay, journalists collect articles and news, and they'll children. Right. So journalists collect and write news stories and articles in the magazines and newspapers. So nowadays, so we are already, there are number of news channels in the TV, right? So when we keep news channel, so he will say different news, right? So now KCR inaugurating bridge today, and some of the people today's corona bulletin, right? In Nizamabad there are 150 cases. In Kamareddy there are 72 cases. So like this, the journalists collect the news. Okay, journalists collect news and stories and write in newspaper, and they also present news on TV. See, if you observe now, nowadays they are presenting news on TVs, right? They are presenting news on TVs. Okay, so a journalist collect and write news stories and articles in magazines and newspapers, and they also present TVs on TV. Okay, on TV. Okay, there are number of news channels, right? If you start TV, there are number of news channels, right? And those all peoples are journalists, right? They will collect the news. Okay, they will collect the news and they will present on TV or in newspaper, right? News stories in newspaper. Okay, Rehman is a journalist in a newspaper, and he did course in journalism from a school of mass communication. So journalists can able to speak very well, right? They can speak very fluently. So how did they learn? From where did they learn that skill? He learned that skill in a school of mass communication. There is a college called School of Mass Communication. So he did a degree of in journalism. He did a degree in journalism. That's why he became a
Sir,
journalist.
doubt.
That's why he became
Sir, voice
journalist.
is
Right,
not
right.
clear.
Okay, okay.
Sir,
So
voice is not clear.
okay, okay. So journalists collect news and news stories, and he present in the newspaper or TV, right? And yeah. So a journalist did his degree in journal, mass of communication college. Okay, mass communication in college. Okay, he did journalism, degree in journalism in a school of mass communication. That's why he became a journalist. Okay, right. Next, journalist after DJ. How many of you know DJ? DJ. What is the
Sir,
meaning,
I know.
full form of, what is the full form of DJ? All of you write it. If you know the answer, please write in chat box. What is the full form of DJ? So everyone say, right? So ఇక్కడ మేము DJ ముంగడ దుంకినాం, మేము DJ పెట్టించినాం, right? What is the full form of DJ? All of you, please respond in chat box. What is the full form of DJ?
Sir, disco.
Disco కాదు. Yeah, disc jockey. Okay, what is full form of DJ? Disc jockey. Okay, so if you observe the picture, Joseph, his name is Joseph, and he loves music and decided to be a disc jockey. Who loves music, they become a singer or disc jockey, right? And now he plays different types of music like rock, hip hop, and Punjab. Okay, now he's playing different types of music in events is nothing but like marriages or any functions, right? So now he's playing different types of music like rock, hip hop, or Punjabi at an event or party. So according to the ways people are dancing, so while he's playing music, so according to that music people are dancing in front of you, right? People are dance in front of you. Is it right, Nana? Okay, DJ is nothing but Disc jockey. What is the full form of DJ? Disc jockey. Okay, and he loves music. Okay, he loves music. He wants to decide. He wants to become a DJ player, disc jockey. Okay, and he plays music. Okay, he plays different types of music in events like Punjabi, hip hop, rock, okay, melodious. So in events and parties, okay. So according to music, people dance in front of you. Is it clear, children? See, observe that how he's playing, right? So he
Yes.
is and he play music in the events like rock, hip hop, Punjabi. So according to the music, people dance in front of him. Okay, people dance in front of him. Right. So now very important skill, right? And profession, very important profession, right? Soldiers. Soldiers help to protect the country. Yes, they protect our country and they protect us, right? So soldier help to protect the country and they also help in times of natural calamities and accidents. For example, uh, any natural calamities happen, for example, earthquake, floods, famines, hmm, tsunamis. So at that time, they will come and help the people. Okay, the soldiers help and they protect us. They save us from the disasters, natural disasters like tsunami, earthquake. Okay, and floods. So people, soldiers help us to protect our country and they protect and they save us when natural disasters happens. Okay, natural disasters and floods. Okay, earthquake, tsunami, sea. Now because of earthquake, some of the buildings are collapsed, right? So they are bringing the people from that buildings. Okay, this is how our soldiers help us. They protect us and they save us. Okay, right. So soldiers
Okay, sir.
help us to protect the country, and branch, okay, each branch of the forces has its own soldiers and officer training schools. Okay, how to become a soldier? There are some training schools, training institutions. Okay, there are some training schools and training institutions. So some armed people take training in that. Okay, some armed people take training in the training institute like IMA, Indian Military Academy. IMA is nothing but Indian Military Academy. Okay, IMA, Indian Military Academy. It is in Dehradun. It is in Dehradun. Now is in the Indian Army. Okay, so people who select for army, they have to take training in the IMA, Indian Military Academy. And where is it? It is in Dehradun. It is in Dehradun. Who want to become a soldier, they need to take a training in IMA. IMA is nothing but Indian Military Academy. Indian Military Academy. So training is very tough, you know. So they need to climb, they need to jump, they need to walk, they need to fight. So everything will be there, right? So Indian Military Academy. So people, soldiers take training in IMA, Indian Military Academy. It is where is it? It is in Dehradun. Dehradun is near to the Kashmir, right? Okay, it is near to the Kashmir, and soldier is a very professional job. Okay, right. Thank you. Next, see here. This is how they will take training in Dehradun. Okay. So there are number of trainings at that place. So this they give IMA, Indian Military Academy. Not only Military Academy, there are number of military defenses institutes are there. Okay, next to Mansoor. Mansoor did a course from a fashion designing institute. Okay, fashion designing institute. Now he is a fashion designer. Now he is a fashion designer. So what is the duty of fashion designer? See, fashion designer prepare different types of clothes. Okay, fashion designer prepare different types of clothes. Okay, and he did a course in fashion designing institute. There is a college Okay, and they offered the course. It is fashion designing course. So what did he do? He designed clothes. Okay, he designed clothes and accessories like shoes, bags, belts, jewelry according to the latest and most popular styles. See, రోజు ఇప్పుడు అంటాం కదా, అప్పుడే కొత్త కొత్త నాకు తెలియదు, జస్ట్ ఐ నో అబౌట్ సమ్ సారీస్ సంథింగ్, రైట్? సో హీ డిజైన్స్ క్లోత్స్ అండ్ యాక్సెసరీస్. అంటే ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ లైక్ సెలబ్రిటీస్, దే విల్ వేర్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లోత్స్, షూస్ అండ్ నెక్లెసెస్, రైట్? సో ద పీపుల్, ఓకే, ఫ్యాషన్ డిజైనర్ డిజైన్ దోస్ క్లోత్ యాక్సెసరీస్. అంటారు కదా, షూట్ ఈ డ్రెస్ కి ఇది షూట్ అవుతుంది, ఈ డ్రెస్ కి ఈ నెక్లెస్ షూట్ అవుతుంది, ఈ హ్యాండ్
Yes,
బ్యాగ్
sir.
షూట్ అవుతుంది. Design that a fashion designer design clothes and accessories like shoes, bags, belts, and jewelers according to style, popular styles. Okay, according to popular styles. Okay, and children, don't worry. I am not giving chance to everyone to ask questions. And okay, see, don't worry. We have a next class called reading session. At that time, I will give chance to everyone to read and understand. Okay, I will explain one more time, and I will give chance to everyone to read one paragraph, and I will clarify any doubt and in that session. Okay, don't worry about that. And children, do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Oh,
No
thank
doubt,
you.
sir. Sir, what is your sir? What is your work? No,
I will just a minute, students. Just a minute.